Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Having good quality brushes makes all the difference in achieving great makeup. To help them last and achieve the best look, I am answering 3 of your top questions about brush care. Number 1, how should you store your brushes? The best way to store your brushes is upright. You can use a cup or a special brush organizer. This helps your brushes stay clean, breathe, and stay true to their shape. If you shove them in a drawer or makeup bag, they can be exposed to dirt and bacteria, which can cause skin issues. Number 2, how often should you clean your brushes? A good rule of thumb is once or twice a week. However, it depends how often you're using them and what types of formulas you are using. If you are using cream formulas, such as liquid foundation, cream concealer, cream blush, or cream eyeshadow, you should be cleansing them daily. Cleaning your brushes helps sanitize them from bacteria and dirt, which can lead to breakouts, skin sensitivities, and cause an uneven texture. Number 3, how should you clean your brushes? I have 4 methods that I prefer. The first method is brush cleaner. Start with a clean tissue. Spray the cleaner directly onto the tissue. And with your brush, start swirling it around until the brush is clean. You can also spray the brush directly. This method is one of the most convenient and easiest ways to clean your brushes. However, it is very drying and can cause the hair of your brushes to shed and wear out fast. I only use this method in between clients when I am pressed for time. The second method is dish soap and olive oil. You probably have these products in your kitchen. Take equal parts dish soap and olive oil and mix in a bowl. Swish your brush lightly in the mixture, and then with the back of your hand, rinse the brush until the water runs clean. Make sure you don't get water on the handle, as this can totally ruin your brush. Then shape your brush and blot with a towel. Lastly, lay flat to dry. This method is economical, convenient, and cleans and moisturizes all in one step. The third method is a solid brush cleanser. Get your brush slightly damp and then swirl your brush on the soap. Then rinse. Again, pay particular attention to the handle. Make sure it doesn't get wet. Once it's thoroughly clean, shape your brush and lay flat to dry. You can also use this method with Beauty Blender sponges. Take your Beauty Blender, get it damp, and then swirl it on the soap. Work the soap into the sponge and then rinse until it comes clean. Then just lay flat to dry. This method thoroughly cleans your brushes and Beauty Blender. The fourth method is the Style Pro. It cleans and dries your brush in seconds. Pour the cleanser for foundation brushes or soap and water for powder brushes into the bowl. Next, insert your brush into one of the sleeves for a tight fit. Insert the rotator into the sleeve. Dip the brush into the cleanser a few times to saturate the brush. Then turn the rotator on and voila! A perfectly cleansed and dried brush. No waiting time. These are my tips for brush care. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. And if you have any tips or questions, leave them in the notes below. And I'll see you next time.